What's up, guys? First long form snowmobile video in a bit. We are heading up to Bartlett, New Hampshire to go on a vintage snowmobile ride. We have the Skidoo Safari with the 136 500. There should be a huge turnout. We came up about an hour early because they said the parking lot fills up super fast. I got 3 buddies that are meeting up there. Should be an awesome time. There's gonna be sleds from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. It's one of the biggest rides out here, I think, and it's put on by the New Hampshire Snowmobile Vintage Snowmobile Museum or Antique Museum. Really cool. So I'll see you guys out there. This is an insane turnout for a vintage ride. And there's probably another 30 trucks behind me. Gonna be a good time. Well, made it about a mile. Everyone stopped, wrenching on their sleds, making sure everything's running. Waiting for about 12 people, I think. But
yeah, my rear shock was blown out.
So many people showed up, we're so behind.
Yeah. Guidelines. What time is it now?
never thought I'd be in the mountains with a safari.
Okay.
Thank you.
We're waiting for a couple more groups to meet up, and then back down to the parking lot to prep for another ride. Killer views on the vintage sleds. Nothing better, man. Nothing better. All our sleds in our group made it back. The guide was awesome. Gonna chill out, fuel up, and get out for round 2.
Well, I made it to the end of the first week this time.
Yeah. Hang with us or
Dave, you having fun?
after lunch.
Awesome. Think of the ride so far, John? 2 thumbs up.
In trail condition.
Yeah, just groomed it for us.
And home in the garage. That's the worst spot for it.
Oh yeah, let's get this at 68 right there.
Right.
Yeah.
We could never get it run right.
This one runs good. It just doesn't like the start usually a little hot. I have to put a little start fluid in it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh!
You all right?
Yeah. Might have to grab a ski loop though.
Yeah.
There they are.
Heading home. We're all wrapped up. We did about 40 miles on the old safari. You know, everyone had their vintage sleds. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Trails were freshly groomed. The trail size was perfect for the beater sleds. We really had a really fun time. So the next time we'll have this out is Snowbog, end of February. See you then. Thanks for watching.
3,500, 4,500.
Looks like a